If you understand this story, skip this video. This is a story about four people named everybody, somebody, anybody, and nobody. There was an important job to do, and everybody thought somebody would do it. Anybody could do the job, but nobody did it. Somebody got angry about this because it was everybody's job. Everybody thought that anybody could do it, but nobody realized that everybody wouldn't do it. It ended up that everybody blamed somebody when nobody did what anybody could do. Hey guys, and welcome to another amazing lesson with Mazing. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to mention people and talk about them without really mentioning them directly.
Huh?
How's that possible? Let's learn. Well, of course, you all know about different pronouns. Words like I, you, he, she, them, we. We use them instead of names of people. For example, instead of saying Jennifer is excited, I would say she is excited. So she is the pronoun in this sentence. But at times we need to speak more generally about people. We do not include or mention their names specifically. And here we need to know about different indefinite pronouns. Words like somebody, nobody, anybody, and everybody. In fact, this video is divided into 4 parts. Part 1, where and when we use these indefinite pronouns. Part 2, how to use these indefinite pronouns, some examples in the form of short quizzes for you, and the last part, decoding the meaning of the story that we mentioned at the beginning of the video. But initially, we need to take a quick look at the meaning of these 4 indefinite pronouns. Well, everybody means all the people in a group, and nobody means no person at all. Somebody means an unspecified or unidentified person, and anybody means any person at all. It doesn't matter who, just any person. First, where and when we use these indefinite pronouns. Well, we use indefinite pronouns when we do not have enough information, we do not want to share the information, or we do not need to share the information about the person that we are talking about. Here are some common situations to use them. General statements. For example, everybody likes hot dog. Questions? Is anybody home? Negative statements. Nobody knows the answer. And unidentified objects. For example, somebody left their wallet at the car wash. We don't know who. We just know that somebody has left a wallet. And part 2, how to use these indefinite pronouns correctly. First things first, there must be subject-verb agreement. But what do we mean by that? You know, all these indefinite pronouns are singular. And so we need to use a singular verb with them in order to reach a good subject-verb agreement. For example, everybody is happy. Nobody is here. Somebody wants to talk to you. And the second tip, you can also add third person s to these indefinite pronouns to refer to possessions. For example, when you do not have enough information about the possessions of some people or a single person, you can say, somebody's car is parked in front of my house. Or it's everybody's responsibility to respect civic rights. And the third tip is that you can add else to these indefinite pronouns to refer to other people or other things. For example, somebody else, anybody else, nobody else, and everybody else. Just a quick instance. Nobody else knows about the secret. Now let's see if you can put the right answers in the blank spaces. Number 1, blank space, stole my wallet. Number 2, blank space, is present in the class. Number 3, blank space, can hear me. Number 4, blank space, can stop us now. Everybody, anybody, somebody, and nobody. And now you have 15 seconds to match the correct answers. Oh, good job. And now if you want to check your answers, just take a look at the description. And now, keeping an eye on all the points and tips that we covered in this video, I highly recommend you to go back and listen to the story once again for a perfect understanding of the topic. Okay, let's bring it all together in a few seconds. In fact, all these indefinite pronouns, the 4 of them, everybody, somebody, anybody, and nobody, they are singular pronouns, even if their meaning is plural and general. So we would have to use singular verbs with them. Everybody dances, anybody cares, nobody knows, and somebody knocks. So don't forget the third person s, ever. And don't forget, we use these indefinite pronouns in general situations. When you do not know the name of the person, you don't care about it, or it's a secret that you don't want to reveal. Okay, that's it guys. I hope this video would have been useful for you. Try to use them in your everyday speaking. Don't forget to subscribe and take care.